we're going to have JAMigo. Your time starts now.
It's so frustrating that I have to practice all by myself, and this way is so boring. So today, my team Bibimbugs will be introducing this app called JAMigo. So JAMigo is meant to create an app so that we can all jam together. I can jam by myself with AI. So the problem with current apps that we have, there's no real-time interaction, or there's no feedback, and I'm unable to get a response to musical expression. Practice becomes very repetitive and boring for me, and musician tends to feel the feeling of missing of being in an ensemble. So currently tools that exist is like interactions, they only have one-way playbacks, and then fixed tempo and structure, no emotional awareness, and the experience is just playing alone. But with JAMigo, we have real-time musical collaboration, response to gestures and performances, follow dynamics and my intent, and then it feels like playing with an AI bandmate. So don't control music, and let's just communicate it with our physical motion. I think it could be a little louder, so let me try and control it with my body gesture. It's much more interesting. I have to type one more thing, I can now change. Through this app, we can make our practice more interesting, and we can try like different kind of moods. And I think, especially for young musicians, I think this will encourage them to explore creativity with different tempos, different feels and vibes to this.
Thank you. Thank you.